A giant robot made of steel stalked through downtown. Specter, what will we do? Phantom asked. We will stop that robot ourselves, Specter said. Then we'll find out Mezmer, the one who's surely controlling it. Right, Phantom said. Mezmer himself is the only villain capable of building such a machine. Vicky Banish, a former employee of Doc's, told Phantom so herself. The robot picked up a bus filled with people and shook it. I should help them, Phantom said. Can you handle the dog yourself? No need, Specter pointed at the people who were escaping the doomed bus. Once it was empty, the bus itself was crushed by the enormous hand. Specter's communicator device, which served as a direct-to-the-line mayor, beeped. It was a message from the mayor herself. She sounded annoyed. Are you two going to get rid of the robot, or do I need to do it myself? She asked. Sorry, Mayor, Specter said. We're on it. And just a little reminder, intensive pronouns emphasize or draw attention to the subject of a sentence. Bye.